welcome to Make It Happen YouTube channel. Today is 4th November 2019 and we are now at Chandrabhaga beach, which is situated about 4 km from Konark. Yesterday night we stayed at the Sun Temple Lodge and today morning at 5:30 a.m. by a auto we proceeded towards Chandrabhaga beach. In my point of view, this beach is a wonderful beach because less amount of visitors are gathered here. You can walk through the beach and it is neat and clean. No such pollution is you can find here. The weather is little bit cloudy. We came here to enjoy the sunrise view, but unfortunately the sun is not visible to us due to foggy weather. But we can enjoy the view of the Bay of Bengal. So friends, we are now at in our hotel. We returned from Chandrabhaga beach recently and it is about 7:30 in the morning. We are now going to have a cup of tea and after that we will proceed towards the Sun Temple to enjoy the magnificent stone carving. So let's see, a long day to go. The return journey will start from Puri railway station at about 11 p.m. in the night. So let us enjoy this staying, enjoy the view and enjoy the experience. Thank you.